Before the theaters, before the glittering lights and thunderous applause, there was just this wild Ozark country. A land of rugged hills, dense forests, and deep caves, carved by ancient rivers and a profound silence. This is the story of how that wilderness became a world-famous wonder. For centuries, this was a land of natural riches, home to the Osage and Delaware tribes. They were the first to know its secrets, hunting in its forests, fishing in its clear rivers, and finding shelter in the vast network of caves that lay beneath the earth. They lived in harmony with the land, a rhythm that would soon change forever. The modern story begins in 1882. A man named Rueben Branson saw potential in this remote outpost. He opened a small general store and a post office, a tiny hub of commerce and connection for the scattered pioneers and homesteaders. It was a humble beginning, but the town soon took his name, and the seed of Branson was planted. But what truly sparked Branson's destiny was hidden underground. In 1894, a Canadian entrepreneur named William Henry Lynch purchased a stunning cave and, with a touch of showmanship, opened it to the public as Marvel Cave. He lowered visitors into its depths, igniting a sense of adventure that would define the town. That very cave would later become the heart of the world-renowned theme park, Silver Dollar City. Fast forward to the latter half of the 20th century. The quiet town found its voice, and it was a voice that could sing. By the 1980s, Branson exploded onto the national stage. Live music venues and family-friendly shows began popping up, and country music legends started calling it their second home. The famous Highway 76 transformed into the Strip, a neon-lit corridor of entertainment that drew millions. One of those legends was the iconic Glen Campbell. For years, his incredible talent graced Branson's stages, creating unforgettable memories for audiences. In 2025, his legacy was celebrated in a powerful way when his daughter, Debby Campbell, produced a star-studded tribute show at the historic Hughes Brothers Theater. Artists like Neil McCoy, Tony Orlando, and the Lennon sisters joined Debby on stage, not just to honor Glen's timeless music, but also to raise crucial funds and awareness for Alzheimer's research, a cause close to the family's heart. Today, Branson is a magical blend of its past and present. It's where old-school Ozark hospitality meets modern thrills. You can soar on a roller coaster in the morning, relax by a beautiful lake in the afternoon, and be moved by a heartfelt show in the evening. From the first cave tours to the final curtain calls, Branson is more than just a vacation spot, it's a living, breathing legacy of American entertainment and spirit. It's a place where stories, both old and new, truly come to life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this journey through time, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stories.